The vocabulary word we are exploring now is replace. Replace. This word comes up often in daily life when one thing is taken away and another takes its position. It could be about fixing something broken, like replacing a light bulb, or about changes in roles, like replacing a leader. Replace suggests making a switch or substitution. Meaning of replace. Replace means to take the place of something or someone, or to put something new in the place of what was removed. Examples: she had to replace her old shoes with new ones. The company replaced the outdated software with a modern system. He replaced the broken glass quickly. Short story. When Daniel's watch stopped working, he felt a bit sad. It had been with him for many years. His father suggested they replace the battery. They went to a small repair shop, and within minutes, the watch was ticking again. Daniel smiled as he realized that replace did not always mean losing something old. Sometimes, it meant giving new life to what already existed. From that day on, he thought differently about the word replace. It wasn't always about endings, but about fresh beginnings.